you want to change your name, your date of birth, your address, or your phone number on your NIN, on this particular video, I'm going to be guiding you on what you need to do right now to be able to change it. You do not need to go to cyber cafe or anywhere that will stress you out. You can simply sit inside your room and be able to change either the date of birth on your NIN, the name on your NIN, the address on your NIN, or the phone number on your NIN. Very easy and simple. So do well to watch this video till the end. Do not skip any part of it. If you want to do any of these, this is the right video you want. All right, so right now, without wasting time, I'm going to be diving in right now to show you what you need to do right now to be able to change it. All right, before we go ahead with that, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Most importantly, turn on the bell icon so that whenever I post any new video, you will get to know about it immediately. So without wasting time, do well to share this video so that people out there will also get to see this and avoid going to the cyber cafe to pay a huge sum of money just to get this done when they can be able to do it with just their smartphone. So it is very easy. Now let me show you how you can be able to do this right now without wasting time.
So the first thing you have to do is to head over to your browser. Okay, so go straight to your browser. I'm going to be using my Chrome browser for this. Okay, so go to the search bar and type what I'm about to show you right now. Go ahead and type self-service. Okay, go ahead and type self-service modification.nimc.gov.ng. go ahead and then search for it. All right, now over here you are going to be seeing this first one, National Identity Management Commission. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, now once you just click on it, allow it to load completely. And after that, guys, you go ahead and scroll down and click on register down here. Now click on register. They are going to be requesting for your last name, first name, maiden name, and phone number. Now I'm going to put all this right now, then I will click on next. After that, they are going to be telling you that they are going to be capturing your face. Okay, right now simply go ahead and then click on continue. Now once you click on continue, then it will load up just like this, and after loading up, they are going to be capturing your face. Then click on allow while visiting the site. Then finally click on start face capture. Let's capture my face right now. And right now you can see my face has been captured successfully. So I will go ahead and click on confirm, and once you click on that, allow it to process your data. And right now this is where you need to put your email address, then create password, then enter the same password right here, then you click on agree. So I will put my email address right here, then I will go ahead to create my password. After that, you go ahead and click on validate email. All right, so they are going to be sending an OTP to the email address that you just input right here. Go ahead into that your email address to copy your OTP. Once you have copied your OTP, go ahead and paste it right here, then click on confirm OTP. Now they are going to be confirming your OTP right now, and after that you go ahead down here and then click on sign up. Okay, you can see account successfully created. Go ahead and click on continue, and right now they are going to be requesting you to put email address and password, which is the one that you just created right now. After that, go ahead and click on login. They are going to be processing your data, and they will be requesting you to take another face verification. Okay, go ahead and click on verify face. Click on start face capture. Okay, now allow them to process your image to verify it. Okay, right now click on confirm again. After that, guys, they are going to be requesting you to put your NIN right here. Now go ahead to put your NIN right here. After that, go ahead and click on continue. And right now they will ask you if you are sure that this is your NIN. Go ahead and click on submit if you are very sure. Okay, you can see NIN successfully validated. Go ahead and click on go back, and right now you are going to be logging in again. After putting your email and your password, go ahead and click on login. And right now you need to do your face scan again. Go ahead and click on start face scan. Allow them to process and verify your image. This is for security purpose, okay? Click on confirm. And right now you are in, okay? So go ahead right now to scroll down. You can see all the changes that you can be able to make. And right now you can see if you want to be changing your name, this is going to cost 2,030 naira. If you want to be changing your address, this is also going to be costing 2,030 naira. The same goes to changing phone number. The same goes to changing date of birth. For example, right now, let's say I want to change my date of birth. I will click on it right now. Then I will click on continue. Right now, allow them to process your data as usual. And after that, you need to read all these things right here. Read all the instruction. Make sure you understand it because every platform have their rules. All right. Go ahead and click on I have read and understood the instruction above. Then click on continue. Now, right now, you can see change of birth. This is change of birth can only be changed once in a lifetime, either on the self-service website or at the NIMC enrollment center. To initiate a date of birth change, user must submit an NPC birth certificate. All right, so you click on understand and proceed with that. Now let's go back. Let's assume we want to change our name this time. Click on continue. Right now they are going to be processing your data and they are going to be asking you to understand this or to read and make sure you understand it. Then click on continue. So this is they are going to be giving you instruction on how to go around it. Click on I understand. Now they are going to be asking you for the method that you want. All right, so you can use resume application or validate RRR. I don't really know the meaning of this, or select new payment. All right, now this is you selecting your option of payment. Click on new payment. Now they are going to be asking you whether you want to do the payment online or offline. Just go ahead and select the one you want, but for the sake of this tutorial I will select online payment. Now once you click on that, allow them to read up all the data and they are going to be asking you the method through which you want to make the payment before you proceed. They are going to be asking you if it is by card or by USSD or by internet banking or by bank account. Now if you select any of these, then you proceed with the changes. Now after that, they are going to be sending you the changes and a new NIN slip to the email address that you provided. Now after that, you can then go ahead to save it and print it out and you will have it changed. All right, so this is how easy it is. So there's no need for you to go around on cyber cafe trying to make huge payments just to get this done. All right, now before you proceed with this, please do well to read all the necessary steps involved and make sure you read all the instruction or warning that they are going to be giving you so that you don't have to risk or regret anything later after making these changes, because some of these changes you can only make it once in a lifetime. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video. I believe you understand it. If you have any question, do let me know on the comment section and I'll be there to answer you immediately. Thank you for watching the video and do not forget to like, share this video so that you will save a lot of people out there, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. Thank you for watching and I'll be talking to you on the next video that I'll be sharing very soon.